Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here's an interesting math problem, that is x times 256 power x equal 1, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So I can write this as x times 256 power x equal 1. If I'll divide both sides by x, so it will cancel out. So 256 power x equal 1 by x. Now I am going to multiply in power, that is 1 by x, both sides to remove x from left hand side. So it becomes 256 equal 1 by x power 1 by x. Now 256, if we divide it by 4, we get 64. Again with 4, 4 times 1 is 4. 6, again with 4, 4 and 4 with 1. So 256 I can write it as 4 power 4 is equals to 1 by x power 1 by x. Now on comparing both sides, the value of 1 by x is 4. So the value of x is 1 by 4. So let's verify this. So x times 256 power x equal 1. So 1 by 4 times 256 power 1 by 4 equal 1. So 1 by 4 times 256, we can write it as 4 power 4 whole power 1 by 4 equal 1. So 1 by 4 times 4 power, this we can write it as 4 times 1 by 4. We will cancel out this. So what is left? 1 by 4 times 4, which will cancel out, equals to 1. So 1 equal 1. So yes, it's verified. The current value of x is 1 by 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.